Lusail Boulevard is not just a place, it's an experience. Football, culture, fireworks, and a glimpse into what Qatar will be in the next few years. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we are at Lusail Boulevard, the Arab Cup, and trust me, this place is alive. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel so that anytime we drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to watch it.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'ma play both sides, don't need no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me stack. It's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a folk put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
This is the speaker that give you the vibe. So on the street of the Lusail Boulevard, this is what you will be seeing. Yo! So we are there, Lusail Boulevard. And then the scene here, what we are seeing here is very insane, yeah, so this is what's really going on at the Lusail Boulevard. So that's the Arab Cup for you. You're welcome. Yeah. So there is a screen here, big screen here that showing. Oh, Jordan has won. Jordan has won. Jordan has won. Jordan has won. Jordan has made it to the quarterfinals. Jordan has made it to the quarterfinal, guys. That's the enjoyment. Yo, that's the excitement going on there. Yo. Jordan has made it to the quarterfinals, and we are here at the Lusail Boulevard. Yeah. We are here at the Lusail Boulevard. Jordan has made it to the quarterfinals of the Arab Cup. Jordan has made it to the quarterfinals of the Arab Cup hosted in Qatar 2025. That's Jordan. You can feel that excitement. You can feel that excitement. And this is the scenes at the Lusail Boulevard. This is one of the fan zones during this Arab Cup 2025. If I'm right. So this is the Lusail fan zone. Lusail Boulevard fan zone. That you can, come here to enjoy. So this is Lusail fan zone. Yeah. This is Syria Republic. The Republic of Syria. Yeah. So here, I think, yeah, this is Syria. Yeah. Let me check this one. There is some huts here. Oh, so I would say this is the city of Syria. And yeah, can't you see them? Yeah, so you can see the city of Syria here right at the Lusail Boulevard. Yeah. So that is it. That's Syria. So there is a couple of countries. Yo, there's countries there you can come here and then enjoy. This is Syria and this is their culture. Yala. Yeah, guys. So that's the Republic of Tunisia. That's the Republic of Tunisia. And here, if you want to experience the culture of Tunisia, that is where nobody sees it. Yo. Yeah. I was going on the stage, yo. So that's the Republic of Tunisia. Tunisia. Yeah. With the help of the Arab Cup, I don't need to buy a ticket to go to Tunisia. So I can experience the culture of Tunisia right here at the Lusail Boulevard. And that is the feeling that we're talking about. The pharaohs. The pharaohs. Oh, see the pharaohs. This is the pharaohs. This is the pharaohs. This is the pharaohs. Oh, sorry. This is the pharaohs. This is the pharaohs. Yeah.
Go to me,
Okay. So you can see from there. That's the pharaoh. If you know about pharaoh. That's Egypt for you. So if you wanna experience or know more about Egyptians, you don't need to travel to Egypt before experience Egyptian culture. You can experience it right here at the Lusail Boulevard, and the experience is really good. That's state of Qatar. I don't know if we can get some dance from here. So that's the state of Qatar, the host nation, and there's crazy performance going on here. This is really impressed. Yeah. So that's the same at the Lusail Boulevard. After the fireworks, you need to catch some vibe here as well. Yeah, you have to catch some vibe there. You wanna get some fast and you wanna hit me of you. Inshallah. Yalla, yalla. Yeah, so here that is Lusail Boulevard. This scene is really crazy. Yo. Yeah. There is a coffee shop. Everything that you need, you can get it here. So here you can see all the Arab countries flag that have lined up here, and there is another fan zone going on here. Yeah. What is that? What is he doing? That's the ball as well. Yalla. That's the Lusail Boulevard. get a thing well. It's really fun. Getting nice shot too. People are really enjoying the scene of the. This is crazy.
fast, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gotta learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, it could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
If this is your first time coming across the channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel and then turn on your notification bell so that anytime we drop a amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to know. See you at the next video.